Hey, thanks for stopping by at my channel, and today I have a Costco haul, a Walmart haul, and a dollar store haul, so stay tuned for that. I spent a lot of money today, but we had an event coming up and we just needed our daily stuff also, so that's just the way life is, and I hope you enjoy. So in the garage fridge, I have 2 of these double bags of cheese. We ran out of cheese. I don't like that, so I got 2. I got a huge bag of the Cavendish fries because they're almost out of that one. 2 things of 2 packs of bread because Derek uses this for his lunch, so I like to get that there. I got this box of chicken strips. We love to use these in wraps. And then a shepherd's pie. We like to keep these in the freezer and then just reheat them when we need an easy meal. And this makes so much, so we always have leftovers. And then this Baton Rouge pulled pork I have in my last what's for dinner. The one coming up this week, and it's so delicious. So $9 for that. And those are also going in the freezer. So I bought 2 things of chicken, one for us, one for my in-laws, and then he's actually here to grab it. So I also got 2 of these Balderson cheeses for them. Okay, so he just grabbed that, but I got Heavenly Hunks, a repeat favorite. Some whole blueberries. These are for my smoothies every morning, and they're getting pretty soft, so I'm just gonna throw them in the freezer. I got a pack of tortillas, a pack of strawberries. I'm gonna make sure that I cut these up so that I use them. I got some chocolate milk, some peanut butter, a thing of milk, a thing of coffee. We love this coffee. We go through these fast. $10 for this whole thing, and it's full to the top. We love these protein bars also, so I got 2 just so we have them. We got a thing of chicken. We freeze these individually, and then we have chicken in the freezer. Got bananas, and then this weekend is stag for my best friend's getting married, and so I'm doing a cheese and cracker tray. So I got these. I know this seems like a lot of cheese, but I don't know, and I didn't know what kind to get. I got marble and mozzarella. I wasn't sure what the norm was, like obviously marble, but I was like, what other kind do people like? And I also hadn't noticed that the cracker selection there is not that great for like normal crackers. So I got all these saltine crackers. Not sure how we're gonna go through it. 12 packs in here. And then pita bites, and I'm sure there's a lot less in here than, it's only 2 bags of these, but everyone likes a good saltine. So, and this is also my first time making a cheese and cracker tray for an event, so we'll see how that goes. And then some eggs. I also making a dessert tray, so I have to bake. So I got 2 things of eggs, and then this is for dinner tonight, the taco kit. It's my favorite. And then I got these. They're slightly obnoxious, but I kind of love them. They came in black or pink, but they didn't have any black left, and I was like, you know what, I actually really like this color, so I'm trying to wear more colors. But they are by Aquatherm, which are my fake Bloodstone boots that I wear every single day are by them, and they're from Costco, and I love them. So I like how they're from that brand because I really like that brand. And I put them on, and my foot just slid right in. They're also like a kind of plasticky material, so when I go paddleboarding or when we're at the beach this summer, it's not like a material like the water will just come right off of it, which is good. So that was everything I got at Costco. I also have Walmart and the dollar store. So first at Walmart, I got these mashed potatoes, these instant mash. These are for a recipe tomorrow night, so make sure you stay tuned for my what's for dinner. Then I forgot I got blueberries for my smoothie, to be honest, so I ended up getting 2 more things of berries, but I have been putting strawberries in oatmeal too, and it's been really good. I got a cucumber, some pumpkin for Ruger if his stomach gets upset, pretzel crisps, stovetop just to have on hand because who doesn't love some good stovetop. The Pop-Tart Confetti cake bites. These are amazing. If you haven't tried them, you totally should. Kitchen garbage bags, buns for hamburgers, baby spinach for my smoothies. I got 2 things of icing, and this cake was from here. 2 things of icing, and then chocolate cake mix, some carrots, green peppers, cheese slices, butter. Then I got some new lashes for the party this weekend. I wanted something more natural, and then I needed a new glue, so I wanted to try this liner glue and see how I like it. This nail polish is for my toes, and then I wanted to try a liquid blush, so I got this lip and cheek tint. And then from the dollar store, I got this mouse pad because I got a new computer with a new mouse, so I wanted a pad for it. These are for the party. They are for the money for one of the games. Some Oreo minis. And then this is all for my dessert tray. So I'm just gonna make brownies, cake, and chocolate chip cookies, and then cut them into pieces and then put them on the tray because I figured that would be the easiest way to do it. So I'm just gonna make all that, and then I got these trays. I got 4 of them. They're so pretty. They were $3.50, and I thought I could reuse them in the summer or whatever, like at the trailer, or maybe give some to my mom for food in the summertime. So I thought I could just buy those and then reuse them, and they're really pretty. So that was everything that I got today. I also got this Ray John planner at Marshall's, and it is for my classes that I have coming up. So it's just pretty simple, which I like. Just has the month laid out to do, and then every day you can write like my assignments and stuff. And I like having the big boxes here because I write big, but also gives you more room to put things. So now I have that. I'm all done for my school stuff, but it was $12.99, which I was looking at other places, and some of the planners like at Staples were like $70. I'm like, no. And this one's really cute. I like the rainbow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.